Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Trentley. Here are today's top stories. 96 constituencies spread over 9 states and 1 union territory will go to polls in the 4th phase of the Lok Sabha elections tomorrow. Campaigning intensifies for the remaining phases of the Lok Sabha elections as political leaders hold back-to-back rallies in various states. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma congratulates new DGP Idashisha Nongrang, says she is the first tribal lady from the state to hold this position. Alfred Secondary School Marangar clinches the title of overall champion at the district inter-school athletic meet at Riboy district. The news in detail. All arrangements have been made for the 4th phase of the Lok Sabha elections tomorrow. 96 constituencies spread over 9 states and 1 union territory will go to polls in this phase. A total of 1,717 candidates are in the fray for the 4th phase of the Lok Sabha elections. Voting will begin at 7 a.m. and end at 6 p.m. Campaigning intensifies for the remaining phases of the Lok Sabha elections as political leaders are holding back-to-back rallies in various states. Senior BJP leader and Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed 4 public meetings. Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav and former Congress President Rahul Gandhi also addressed various election rallies. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma congratulated Idashisha Nongrang on her appointment as Meghalaya's first woman Director General of the Police. Congratulating Nongrang, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma wrote on X, "Heartiest congratulations to Idashisha Nongrang, IPS, on her appointment as the new DGP. Breaking barriers and making history, she became the first tribal lady from our state to hold this position, a moment of immense pride for all of us, wishing her all the best." Meanwhile, the state BJP has also welcomed the appointment of Nongrang as the new DGP of Meghalaya. The State Disaster Management Department is gearing up to face the challenges of the monsoon season by coordinating with all related departments for quicker response. These departments are the Health, PWD Roads, PHE, SDRF, IMD and Education, apart from Civil Defence. Commissioner and Secretary for Disaster Management Sanjay Goyal said the departmental heads connected with the Deputy Commissioners who are also in charge of providing relief in the districts during a state-level coordination committee meeting.
The district level disaster management plans have been updated by the Deputy Commissioners, the resource mapping, what kind of resources are available in terms of equipment, in terms of machineries at various locations, and whether we are updated on that or not. The list of nodal officers, as we are aware that due to elections, certain changes have happened at various levels in terms of transfers of the officers. So they have been asked to update the list of nodal departments along with their updated mobile numbers so that there is a smooth flow of information at all levels. The incident response system have always been activated during this time to handle any kind of emergencies and all the communication networks.
In honor of International Nurses Day and to commemorate the birth anniversary of the iconic Florence Nightingale, the upcoming PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital or PIMC and the University Hospital of Ayurveda and Naturopathy, Wuhan, at the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya came together for a celebratory event on the university campus. Chancellor USTM Mahbubul Huq said that nurses are the backbone of healthcare, tirelessly working to provide comfort, care and healing to patients in need. Dinet Manik CA Memorial Secondary School hosted the Bookish Santa, offering over 2 lakh books this time, including Tinkle, mangas and newly published books. Principal of the school, Drinsibon Kharkangor, said that a book fair encourages students to read. She was glad that Bookish Santa offered to have a book fair at her school as people thronged the book fair, indicating that a renewed love for books in a digital age. Dinet Manik CA Memorial High Secondary School also launched its Silver Jubilee celebration, marking 25 years of excellence in education and sports. As part of celebrations, the school organized an inter-school penalty shootout, bringing together young athletes from across Shillong for a day filled with sportsmanship, competition and camaraderie, where 10 schools from Nongtmai, Nongkrem, Lightcore including Pinemount School were part of the penalty shootout.
See many more schools to participate in such kind of events and to work alongside with not only institutions like us, but to take forward the love of the game to another level. There are 10 schools which are participating. These schools are from Nongtmai, which I can name a few: Hillcrest, then Eriben Presbyterian, PTCM from Lightcore. Then you have one from, even Pinemount has joined us alongside.
In Chengabenga, Gandhipara, southwest Garo Hills, the Koch community observed the Pabuni Puja, or Koch National Festival. The annual celebration is revered as one of the most joyous occasions among the Koch people. During the festivities, villagers congregated at the Pabuni Shali, or a shrine, where the Diyusi, or a priest, led rituals accompanied by the assistance of Chathung Launi. Offerings of chokot, which is rice beer, and fap, rice cake, were made to the goddess, symbolizing protection for both the cattle and villagers. Meghalaya Cricket Association President Naba Bhattacharjee on Saturday organized the Southwest Khasi Hills District Cricket Academy at Bunbear Playground in Mountain Village, 2 kilometers from Maukarwat, Southwest Khasi Hills District, with an aim to groom budding cricketers in the district. The first batch of the academy has about 180 young cricketers between the age groups of 10 to 16 years, who will train on basic cricketing skills by 4 coaches along with some senior players. The young cricketers will also avail all facilities necessary for the game, which will be fully funded by the MCA. More in school sports, Alfred Secondary School Marngar clinched the title of overall champion at the District Inter-School Athletic Meet hosted by the Office of the District Sports Officer Reboy at NSCA Mini Stadium in Nongpo. 30 schools from across Reboy district participated in the annual sporting extravaganza. The closing ceremony witnessed the presence of key dignitaries, including District School Education Officer Reboy P.L. Nongri and District Sports Officer Bobby L. Nongbet. St. Alfred's Secondary School's remarkable performance secured their selection to represent Reboy district at the State Inter-School Athletic Meet 2024 in Shillong. And now for a quick look at the weather report. The maximum temperature was 22.7 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 14.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 61%, rising to 85% in the evening. Rainfall is measured at 0.5 millimeters. The forecast tells us moderate rain is likely to occur at isolated places. And now for a quick recap of today's headlines. 96 constituencies spread over 9 states and 1 union territory will go to polls in the 4th phase of the Lok Sabha elections tomorrow. Campaigning intensifies for the remaining phases of Lok Sabha elections as political leaders hold back-to-back rallies in various states. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma congratulates new DGP Idashisha Nongrang. Says she is the first tribal lady from the state to hold this position. And Alfred Secondary School Margar clinches the title of overall champion at the district inter-school athletic meet at Rebhoy district. That's all the news we have for you today. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening.